Objectives are 1. To extract the copper from the malachite using a microwave oven. 2. To run the reaction of the carbon with the microwave. Malachite is green, copper orange. Copper can be extracted from malachite when it is heated with carbon. The muffler works to keep high temperature. This experiment can be done with a microwave oven. Procedures: put small pieces of malachite into a crucible and cover them with the activated carbon powder. Put the crucible in the microwave oven. Heat the crucible 5 minutes. Pour the water into the beaker and put all the contents in the crucible into the beaker. This is a chemical equation that malachite changed into copper. Carbon works to take oxygen from malachite and to make heat with microwave. Let's confirm the carbon generates heat with the microwave.